Again, push the result of calling padrow with your I and count variables to your rows array. So first we access our rows because we will use a push method which is used for arrays. Rows then push. And what we will push in our array is a function called or defined in here called padrow, which is used for creating our pyramid. And we need a variable or reference because we have a parameter in our function, row number and row count. Those reference or variables would be I and count. I would be our row number and count would be our row count. And we will have, or it will result to a reverted pyramid. Nice.